Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about C#.NET Programming. Okay, this is the tutorial number 4, how we can enable and disable property. Okay, now what to do, let's start. I come enter here Visual Studio 2019, click to open. Now you see I have option create a new project, click to this one. Okay, now enter C# window. Okay, now you see window from app.net framework. Okay, C#. Now click to next. Now let's enter a project name, tude 3. Okay, this is the location, enable disable property. Now click to create. Okay, now first close this one. Let's first start and you see what's output. Okay, now is the blank form. Okay, yes, first search button, drag on your form 1. Let's again search button 2, drag in this. Now enter text. Now drag like this. Okay, done. Now select these three icons and come to properties. Now let's click to change the font. Now I am enter 18. Okay, now let's increase. This is our message. Now click to this one. Let's change the text and okay, now click to text this one. Let's enter enable. Click to this one. Let's change disable. Now click to enable. Let's change the tag name. Right now tag name is button 1. Now let's come to down and you see name. This is your tag name. Like I'm enter here enable button. Okay, right now you see when you click to this one, you see the tag name is enable button. Okay, now click to disable. Let's change name. Okay, I'm enter here disable button. Okay, this is our tag name. Okay, enable and disable. Okay, this is our text and text tag name is text box 1. Okay, all done. Now what we do, let's modify the form. Yes, and please remember when you click to this one and help of enable button, or we can say tag, you can easy to create any logic. Okay, now double click to the enable. Okay, and let's again double click to the disable. Okay, right now have two function, enable and disable. You need to enter a code in between this. Okay, enable property, what you do when you click to enable, that time your text box is enable. Okay, in the default what you do, let's change the property and let's come to property, have a enable option, you see enabled, and click to false. Okay, in the starting time it's false. Now let's click to start and you see text is disabled, you're not able to enter any message. Okay, now close this one. Let's modify, double click enable. Okay, now you need to enter, I'm entering text. Okay, this is your text box 1 dot enable. This is the property equal to, like I'm entering true. You can enter, you can able to enter anything. Okay, help with this one. Okay, when you click to enable, that time your text is enabled, and same when you click to disable, that time your text box is disabled. Now what you do, text box 1 dot enabled equal to false. Okay, now let's click to start and see what's output. Okay, when you click to enable and you see you can able to enter a message or anything. Okay, enable, and when you click to disable and you see right now you're not able to enter anything. Okay, click to enable, you can disable, you know. Okay, now close this one. Let's modify more. Okay, go to form 1, click to disable. In the starting time, let's change the property of visible and property of enabled. Right now I'm select to false. Okay, same like this. Okay, this property is false in the starting, same disable property. Okay, now let's start and you see the output. Okay, right now you see disable button property is false, or we can say this is disabled, same as like text. Okay, now let's again modify, double click to enable. Now we need to enter here disable, like disable button dot enable equal to true. Okay, when you click to enable, that time disable button properties is true. Okay, and okay, and that time enable button, like this is this one, enable button dot uh, enabled equal to false. Now but okay, now you see when you click to enable button, that time your disable button property is true and the enable button property is false. Now you see the output. Okay, when you click to enable and you see enable property is false and disable is true. Okay, and we need to do a little modification. When you click to disable, that time enable property is true. Now what we do, when you click to disable, that time, like I meant here, enable, sorry, enable button dot enable property equal to, we need to true. Okay, and disable button property is false, like disable button dot enable property is false. Okay, and save the project and click to start. And right now you see this output. When you click to enable, that time disable is turn on, or we can say this properties is true, enable property is true, and same as like text, you can enter any message like love you. When you click to disable and you see right now enable button properties is true, and a text property is false. Now it's working well. Now you see, click to enable, you can enter any message. Click to disable, you're not able to enter any message. Okay guys, now you understand about the enable and disable property, how you can use it. Okay, and try yourself. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.